Little Learners by Misha.
Lily loved playing with her alphabet blocks. Each block was brightly colored and featured a bold letter. Today, Lily was determined to build the tallest tower ever. She started with a big red A, carefully placing it on the floor. Next came a bouncy blue B, followed by a cheerful yellow C. As her tower grew, so did her excitement. She giggled as she added a green D and a purple E. Suddenly, her puppy, Buster, bounded into the room, his tail wagging excitedly. He bumped into the tower, causing the blocks to topple. Lily gasped, her eyes wide with surprise, but instead of crying, she laughed. It was a fun, silly accident. She began rebuilding, this time adding a song to her work. She sang the alphabet song, each block perfectly placed, each sound clearly pronounced. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. She made the sounds come alive. Buster watched, his head cocked, seemingly enjoying the phonics fun. The tower grew taller and more magnificent than before, a vibrant testament to Lily's determination and love for learning. Lily smiled, proud of her creation and the sounds she had made. She knew that learning her letters was a playful adventure, one she was happy to share with her furry friend. The afternoon sun streamed through the window, illuminating the colorful blocks and highlighting Lily's happy face. She added a final block, a bright orange C, and declared her tower complete. Buster barked his approval, adding his own happy sounds to Lily's phonics adventure. The tower stood tall and proud, a symbol of a fun and successful learning experience. Lily's phonics adventure continued, with new blocks and new sounds, promising even more fun and learning in the days to come. She knew that learning was an exciting journey. She picked up a block and proudly declared, "I love phonics."
A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, bow. C for cat, C for car, go. D for dog, D for drum, do. E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan, f. G for goat, G for grapes, go. H for hat, H for horse, ho. I for igloo, I for insect, J for jug, J for jelly, oh. K for kite, K for kangaroo, go. L for lion, L for leaf, la. M for monkey, M for moon, N for nest, N for net, na. O for orange, O for all, rat. P for parrot, P for pen, bat. Q for queen, Q for quilt, R for rugged, R for rose, runner. S for sun, S for star, sing. T for tiger, T for train, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for van, V for violin, fa. W for watch, U for watermelon, X for czar, F for X-ray, XR. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z. Sing along, learn today, A to Z in a fun way.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you! Bye-bye.